Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGGS, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and please don't miss out. Let's get cooking. Today guys, on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you a taco cone. We're going to be making us some taco cones. Here's one that I messed up, so this is the first time, so don't laugh at me making these. A subscriber of mine, Barbara, recommended me to make this, and this is what I came up with. Okay, now I fried these. This one right here, I pretty much like baked, and as you well know, I had to put something in there because, you know, when you bake it, it gets flat. Alright, so that's what happened with that one. This one I baked and then I fried it. But as you can see, it's not deep enough to do nothing with. See that? But it's good to go. But these are deeper. Okay, see how deep those are? And they're really crunchy. Okay, so we're gonna use these today. I will get better of it. What you just don't understand, I had to make a device to make these. Alright, I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna put these out the way because I'm going to still use those. You can believe that. Yep. We're gonna build us some taco cones today. Alright. Here's the device that I came up with. Right here and right here. Here's the boot and here's the hood. So you put it in there like that. So this is what I did. Since I have one left. Because I was experimenting. I am not going to lie. Okay, this is what you have to do. So you have to put this up here. About like this. Right here. And you take it like this, then you just simply wrap it up like so. Alright? Now, I did tuck one of them right here, but it didn't work out good for me because it's stuck at the bottom, but we're going to see if this one will work. Alright? So we're just going to take this, and we're going to put it up in here, just like that. Alright, now I'll take you guys over there and we're going to go ahead and fry this up. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Here's my stuff that I made. Now what I'm going to do here, because it's going to puff up quick, I'm going to hold this in here. But you're going to have to dip it, just like so. Alright? So you want to hold that in there. Because if you don't hold it in there, it's going to swell up and you ain't gonna be able to get it out. You're gonna fight with it. I tore up one or two already. Okay, so you're just gonna cook this in here. You're gonna rotate it for about a minute and a half on each side, like so. Yeah, see, I tore up one right here. See this one? I tore this one up because it's stuck together. So I'm getting better as I go, and it's crispy. So it takes a little bit. You gotta learn how to maneuver it. Don't put it in there tight at all. Please don't do that, because that's why I told that one up. See, I just want to come out. See, it's trying to blow up on me now. So I'm trying to keep it in there so I can keep it flat. Yeah, just like that. And I'm going to like rotate this like on this side. We'll rotate it this way. Trying to keep that thing in there. So yeah, I spent some money to make this thing. This is aluminum. And I did get this at Lowe's. Thank you, John, if you're watching. He helped me out to find this aluminum that I need to be able to do this video for my subscriber request, rather. See how it's blowing up in there, guys? So you don't want it to blow up too much. Yeah, see, it's ready come up. See how that is? And you want to keep it in there till it get crisp, because if you don't, it's going to puff up, and plus it's going to come loose on you. Okay, so you see that? So yeah, so be careful messing around with this grease, please guys, please. See how loose that is right there? So that's why I'm trying to hold that down on there. But before I do that, I'm gonna take this out. I got me a pot over here to catch all the excess grease. Yeah, it's gonna fall down again, right? This thing is hot too. So you can get you a mitt or something like that. So the reason I do that like that, cause you see all that oil in there? Well, okay, that ain't too bad anyway. I'm gonna let it drain out like that. I had to rig this sucker up just to make it do what it do. Alright, I'm gonna come back in here and turn this. Like so. Okay guys, go ahead and take this off. Take it out rather. I'm gonna let this cool off. I ain't gonna keep playing with it too much. Let me see how, yeah, that's crispy. So I'm just gonna let this cool off and maneuver this around here. Hopefully it don't break like the other one did. Alright, put on some paper towels and let it cool off for a second. And I'll show you how to put these tacos and stuff together. See you guys in a minute. I'm gonna use 2 packets of these Taco Bell seasonings. I'm gonna cook this till it's done. Brown, all the way done. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and start putting these taco cones together. First thing we're gonna do is take us some lettuce. Put some lettuce down up in there. Like that. Come with some meat. Come with some cheese. A pico de gallo. Come with some more lettuce. No, we're gonna come with some meat. Some more meat. Put this to the side. Come with some more lettuce. Put a little bit more over here. Some more cheese. I'm gonna take me some avocado. Dust my hands off a little bit. Take us some jalapenos. Optional. Some more pico de gallo. This right here is sour cream. This right here is taco sauce. That's good enough. Alright guys, this is how you make it. I know I made a mess over here. I'm going to go ahead and set this up and finish it up for you guys. But this is how you make it right here. Taco cones, all day, every day. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am done. This is it. This is how you make taco cones by using something like these. I had to make this from scratch to be able to make these. It wraps around here, put it inside there, you cook it. Voila, that's it. That's what I did, and this is the finished product. It will get better due time. I might be making a chicken one day for Barbara. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching. And I'm out of here.